Hi everyone. Now we are going to discuss about emergency medical service examination in UAE. As we know, in UAE there are four licensing body, Dubai to DHA. But there is some changes. In Dubai, if you want to work in emergency medical service, your license is issued by DCAS, not by DHA. And in Abu Dhabi, if you want to work, you have to get the license from DOH only, Department of Health Abu Dhabi, with the older name called HAD, Health Authority of Abu Dhabi, and the MOH to work in Ajman, Ras Al Khaimah, Umm Al Quwain, Fujairah for Emirates, Ministry of Health and Prevention, and SHA for Sharjah, Sharjah Health Authority license for Sharjah. So whatever the license you choose, the place where you would like, as per that you have to choose the examination. In emergency medical service, there are 5 categories are the exams available. I will start from the top. The first one is critical care paramedic. If you have bachelor degree in advanced paramedic, and if you have the master degree in critical care, plus 2 years of experience in same designation, and valid BLS, ACLS, PALS and trauma life support is required for it. It's one of a wonderful profession, but we need this much requirement to get the approval for this category. And the below one is a paramedic. The second one is a advanced paramedic. And in advanced care paramedic, you need bachelor degree in emergency medical service or paramedic plus 2 years experience plus ACLS, BLS, PALS and trauma life support. If you have, you are able to apply for the advanced care paramedic. In this category, the bachelor degree of nursing who completed, they are also able to attend this examination. They need 2 years experience in the same designation and they need to complete 500 hours, minimum 8 weeks of bridging program for the advanced care paramedic plus same BLS, ACLS, PALS and trauma life support. So if you complete bachelor degree in paramedic or emergency medical technician plus ACLS, BLS, PALS and trauma life support plus 2 years of experience. Otherwise, if you have completed bachelor degree in nursing, BSc nursing plus ACLS, BLS, PALS and trauma life support and 8 weeks, 500 hours additional course about critical care paramedic, critical care course plus 2 years of experience required for this category. The next category is a common category. The third one is a paramedic. Most of the professionals are attending this examination paramedic. Paramedic required 2 years diploma in paramedic or emergency medical service or critical care management plus 1 year of experience plus BLS, ACLS, PALS and trauma life support. Otherwise, if you complete BSc nursing plus 1 year experience as a paramedic plus ACLS, BLS, PALS and trauma life support, you are also able to attend for the trauma paramedic category. So there are 3 major category in that and 2 more. One is emergency medical technician. The emergency medical technician is required 6 weeks of diploma in emergency medical technician plus BLS certificate and trauma life support plus 1 year of experience. So the requirement are less. 6 weeks diploma plus BLS plus trauma life support plus 1 year of experience. Otherwise, if anyone complete BSc nursing or diploma in nursing GNM plus 1 year of experience and BLS certificate and trauma life support, you are also able to apply for the emergency medical technician examination. Especially for the male nurses who completed diploma in nursing and they are facing some difficulty going to assistant nurse examination, you have an opportunity to apply as an emergency medical technician examination with this category. The last category is emergency medicine responder, emergency medical responder. Here we need a 4 weeks diploma in emergency medicine, 1 month diploma plus BLS certificate plus 1 year experience. You are also able to apply for the emergency medical responder. This is a final category in this medical emergency services. So I hope you have understand the detailed information and requirement for this category. So here emergency medical category, the nurses also has a role. You are also able to apply for it and the paramedic also able to apply for it. I hope you have understand the requirement. If anyone would like to apply for any license in UAE in emergency medical service, you can contact Foreign Plus. My name is Shijo Thomas. I am a health licensing consultant from Foreign Plus Health Professional and Facility Registration firm, Dubai. Thank you very much for watching.